Want enterprise-grade AI bots without the enterprise price? Meet Dify, your low-code platform. Dify delivers secure, scalable, production-ready bot building with fine-grained access controls. Best of all, it's free to start and upgrade scale as you grow. Step 1. Create a workspace, invite teammates, and connect data sources like databases and docs. Step 2. Define intents, upload documents, and train models with one click in minutes. Step 3. Enable enterprise features, SSO, encryption, role-based access, and detailed logging. Quick demo. Drag a retriever connector, link a vector store, add a prompt template, and run. Here's a code snippet of the reusable JSON config for routing and model settings. Deploy instantly as an API, embeddable widget, or chat interface with a single click. Monitor performance with live metrics, audit trails, and auto-scaling for peak traffic. All production features are enterprise-grade, yet cost-effective and easy to manage. Start building for free on Dify now. Sign up, deploy, and iterate in minutes.